This video I'm going to show you how you can publish your website for free. Maybe you are a beginner, you have created a static website and you want your friends to be able to see the website. So this is how you can publish it for free. No need of a domain name or maybe server. So for this case, I'm going to use this website for demonstration. So we can view the website and see how it looks like. So when I click go live here, we can be able to see the website. This is how the website looks like. So I'm going to use this website for demonstration so that I can show you how you can publish it yourself for free. So remember, this is for static websites only, websites that does not have backend. So this being our demonstration website, so the first thing you'll need to do, you will need to have a GitHub account. So the next step, you can just go to any browser of your choice. You can use Chrome, Safari, or maybe Firefox, any browser, and search what we call GitHub, because we are going to use GitHub to host our website for free. If you don't have a GitHub account, you'll be able to see this landing page. Now on the top right corner of your screen, you can see we have sign up and sign in. So if you don't have an account, you will need to create a free account using the sign up button. But because I already have an account, I'll just need to sign in into my GitHub account so that I can demonstrate to you how you can publish your website for free. So when I click sign in, I'll be required to put my email address and the password. So now I can sign in. After signing in, I'll be able to see this. Mine is like this because I had published other websites before, but yours, you may see nothing here on the repository because it is your first time to create an account. So don't be shocked why yours may look different. So after creating an account on GitHub or maybe logging in on your GitHub account, on the top right corner of your screen, you can see we have this profile icon here. Just click it. And then on the repositories, you will see profile, the repository stars and all that. Just select repositories. I will see all this because I already had an account and I had uploaded other repositories, or maybe I had committed some projects on my GitHub account, but yours may be blank if it is your first time to use GitHub. So then on the top right corner, you can see we have new. Just click new. After clicking new, you will see this option that just put the name of your repository. So first, I want us to go back to our code here. When I click my folder called website, I can be able to see this. I can be able to see this index.html. That is my website file. Now yours will just know where you will place it as long as you remember the path of your folder that contains your file. So I want us to go back to our GitHub. They are requesting us to input our repository name. You can just give it any repository name, but it depends with what or maybe the content in your website. So mine, I can just call it website. I can just call it website. Website, and then after that I can just come here to the description. You can just leave it the way it is. We don't need to do anything there. For the visibility, make sure it is public. For the readme, just leave it off, and all others just leave them the way they are as default. Now you can just come here and click create repository. So after clicking create repository, you'll be able to see this. This is the most important part that you need to be keen. First, you have get started by creating a new file or maybe upload an existing file, and then you have these commands here. So you can also put or maybe publish your website on GitHub using commands, but for our case, we'll do it manually. So you can see here we have create a new file or upload an existing file. So for our case, you'll just need to come here and click upload an existing file. Then you will see drag files here to add them to the repository or choose your file. So I can just come here and click choose my file because I know the path of my index.html file. So now it is inside the website folder. Now I can come here and select my file. Remember, here you need to select a file and not a folder. You can't upload a folder on GitHub using this method. So you can just come here and click open. After clicking open, you will see it uploading, and then you can see here we have commit changes, add anything, just click commit changes. After clicking commit changes, you will be redirected to this page. You can see here we have our files. we have our file and it has successfully uploaded. The third step is to go to where we have settings. So this is where settings is. You can just click settings, and then on the left side of your screen you can see collaborators, you can see moderation, you can see branches and all that. So you'll just need to come here at the bottom, you'll see pages. Just make sure you click pages. Now after you click pages, you'll see you'll see the build and deployment, source, branch and all that. We need to do some configuration here on the branch. Just make sure you select it from none to main. In other, you can see master, but just make it to be main or master. It is not supposed to be none. Now after doing that, you can just come here and click save. After clicking save, you'll just need to give it some time, and you will get a link on top here. But for now, you can see here we have an option of adding a custom domain. So what is a custom domain? A custom domain is an example. You have a shop called Kevin. You want people to be reaching your website through the name Kevin. So you'll go and buy a domain that is called www.kevin.com. Kevin.com is the domain. Google.com is the domain. But for our case, we don't have a domain, or maybe we have not bought a domain. But whenever you bought a domain, we'll just configure it here. So for now, we can come here and refresh our browser so that we can see the link that we can be able to access our website with. That is a temporary link that GitHub normally gives its users. So you can just come here and refresh. Now after refreshing our browser, you can see here it will say your site is live at https whencreatives.github.io /website. So this whencreatives.github.io, it is because my GitHub account I registered with the name whencreative. So yours will just get according to your GitHub name. So you can see we have an option of visit site and publish site, or maybe you can copy the link. So what we'll need to do, we'll just need to click visit site so that you can see how our website looks like. So when I come here and click visit site, I'll be able to see my website. It is fully published and secured. So this link you can share with anyone, you can share with your friend, and they will be able to see what you're doing, or maybe how your website looks like. When I come here and paste my link here, I can be able to see my website. So whenever I send this link even to you, you can be able to view this website, compared to when I view my site just from here. It is using an address. This address is just local on your computer. You can't share it with anyone else. So now my site is live and fully deployed, and I can be able to share the link with any of my friends, or maybe my team member. So guys, that's how you publish your website on GitHub for free. No need of buying a domain name, or maybe having to pay for a server. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and follow for more. Also, you can see more of my videos. Use the link on my bio. Go to my YouTube. You'll see more of my educative videos where you'll be able to learn on how you can publish the website. You can configure a custom domain, and all technical things in website creation, or maybe anything related to tech. So guys, try that, and don't forget to like, share, and follow for more. Thank you.